Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a magnetic wireless charger that also works as a power bank as well. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here it is 10,000 mAh, which is more than enough power for you guys to recharge your phone twice. And bottom right here, you can see they do probably got some specs and features that's on here. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside, they do probably got the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right underneath that, you can see we do have the actual product. And right here they do probably the cable. So the cable that's included is a USB to USB-C cable. So you use that to recharge the product. But right here we do have the product. So let's take it out. Here is basically what the product looks like. You can see for the one that we got right here, it is a blue color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. So for this part right here is basically where they do the wireless charging option. Right here in the side, you can see we do have the button for you to turn it on. So let's press on it one time. That basically activates the product. So you see right here in the middle, they do provide guys the battery percentage. And right here on the side, they do give you guys two output options. So one of them is USB and the other one is USB-C. And the way how they designed the product for the USB-C option, it allows you guys to use it as both an input and output. And then right here on the side, you can see they do provide guys some specs and features that's on the product. And right here is basically what the back part looks like. So you see the way how they designed the product is actually very similar to the Apple MagSafe charger, or it's even comparable to one of these, which is from the Anker brand. For this one in particular, they call this the Anker Mag Gold 633, and this one basically works the same way as this one. They do give you guys a MagSafe option right here. They give you guys a USB-C option, and they also give you guys a USB option. But the one thing that's actually really good about this one versus this one is the fact that for the back part, they do give you guys a clip, and when you guys do open it up, you guys can basically use it as a stand, where for this one you don't have that option. So if you guys are interested in this one, feel free to actually go check it out. But you guys are basically here to see the review for this product, so let's test it out. So for the first test, I'm actually plugging in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So let's plug in the bottom. Once you guys plug it in, and you see right here it does show you guys that it is charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, it will show 100%. So while it is charging, let me actually put my phone on here to test it out to see what actually works. Alright, so let's test it out. And you see it does work. And if you guys do unplug the cable, and we guys try again, that works as well. So definitely really cool how it does give you guys the option to use it wired or wireless. And if you guys notice when we do charge it, it does give you guys that MagSafe logo. There are some other chargers that will not give you guys that option. Let me show you what I mean. So for this one from the Anker brand, when you guys put it on, it doesn't show you guys that logo, but it does work. So I'm assuming for the Anker option, it won't charge as fast compared to what you guys have right here. So I'm not sure if it's because of the built-in safety feature that's on the Anker power bank, but definitely when you guys use this one, it'll give you guys a faster charging speed because of that logo that you guys saw. But now let's try to use the other output right here to see what actually works. So let's try to use the USB-C first. So let's plug it in. And other side we'll plug it in right here. So once you guys plug it in, you can see it does charge. But right now it's already fully charged. That is basically why it shows 100%. But now let's try the other option as well. So let's plug in the USB cable. And for other side, we'll plug it into a power bank. If you see how when we do plug it in, it does work. And it is charging your phone at the same time. So definitely when you guys do the product, it does allow you guys to charge 3 devices at the same time. And you also have the option to charge the power bank at the same time when you guys are charging the other devices, which is pretty cool. And also for the magnet that's on here is actually pretty strong, if you can see. It does hold the phone pretty well. But the way how they design the product allow you guys to use it in this direction, or you can turn it around this way, and it still works as well. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it actually feels very soft and very smooth. I actually like that material a lot. It's actually very similar to the material that's on the Anker charger that we do have right here. And I also love the way how they designed the product. It's actually very compact and portable, if you can see. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality magnetic wireless charger that also work as a power bank as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.